Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So today we will be learning how to redeem your Steam code. So if you are looking for videos like this might help you. So make sure to stick till the end. And now let's jump onto the video. First, you must log into your Steam account on any web browser that you are comfortable with. After you are logged into your Steam account, to redeem your code, on the top right corner, just below this bell icon, you will see your account name. So click on there. Now you will see multiple options. So just click on account detail option. And now on your screen, you will see student purchase history. Below that, add funds to your Steam wallet or contact information and your account security. So you just go ahead and click on add phone to your Steam wallet option. After you're done with that, again on your right corner you will see your Steam account. So just below that you might see two options: see my account details and then redeem a Steam gift card or wallet code. So go ahead and click on to the next option. Now you need to provide your wallet code. So enter your code correctly. After you enter your code, then again just near that you will see continue option. Go ahead and click on to continue. Now you will be loaded to next page. You will see the value and then just use it to play the game. So in this way you will be able to redeem your Steam code. If this video helped you and if you stick till the end, please make sure to subscribe our channel, hit the like button and the bell icon, and we will highly appreciate that. And thank you for watching. We'll see you on next video.